Hey everybody and welcome back. The graphics card can be one of the most expensive pieces of any gaming PC. Obviously this one wasn't if you followed my last video of benchmarking this, so this is just a GeForce 5500 Ti made by Nvidia. I got it for £12. Check out the other video if you want to see how it benchmarked. But in today's video what we're going to be doing is showing you how to fit a graphics card into a motherboard. So we're just going to pop over to the bench and get it installed. This is the motherboard that we're going to be installing into. What you want to look for is PCI Express slot. On the rear of these you've got a clip, that's a retainer clip that actually holds the graphics card into place. You need to push that down, take your graphics card and install it into the slot. It'll just push down into the slot, just like that. What happens then is the clip will actually pop up and retain the graphics card in. Then taking the screw from your case, you insert it in the back, and that's secured your graphics card into place. This graphics card in particular requires an external power output. Not all graphics cards do, but most gaming ones will, of some description. This one only uses a 6-pin PCI Express. Some can go up to 8 pins. So one thing you need to do is make sure that your power supply can actually handle the graphics card and that it's got the right power connectors. You can get some kind of adapters for them. Some people recommend them, some people don't, but it's probably best just to get the right power supply. And all you do is insert it into the power slot and that's your graphics card fit. To remove the graphics card, all you got to do is simply unplug the power, undo the retaining screw at the rear, then that little clip that we spoke about on the PCI Express slot, you'll need to push that down. You can usually do it from the back, which will release the graphics card. You can just lift it straight out. And that's how easy it is to fit a graphics card into your PC. If you want to see more videos like this, guides, instructions, things like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think.